Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hey y'all. So, how are y'all doing? How is y'all families? I hope y'all all doing good. I hope all your families are good and not sick. And yeah. So, in Louisiana today, it was 82 yesterday, and today it's chilly. So, there's that. Okay? So, yo, I'm sorry I have not been on here a lot. I'm so behind on filming. Today is a good day, just so y'all know. My husband's here. You probably can hear the noise. He's vacuuming, y'all. He's vacuuming. We are spring cleaning. So I took a break. I wanted to film because I'm so behind. Like I literally have so many packages back there. Just so many. So yeah, I decided I was gonna film and get some of this over with because you know, I'll be traveling back with my husband when he leaves for work next week. So yay, I get to get away for a little bit. I need some away time from here, you know. Sometimes it gets to be too much. So yeah. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I wanted to say thank y'all so much. Y'all getting my subscriber numbers up, and all I want from y'all is for y'all to have fun. I want y'all to enjoy what y'all watching. I'm a normal human being. I'm myself, and I hope y'all enjoy the videos. Sometimes I laugh, sometimes I cry, so you know, I'm just warning you right now. Y'all know how I am. I don't, you know, I'm honest, and I'm just gonna tell y'all the truth. Like I said, sometimes I laugh, sometimes I cry, sometimes I'm just whatever, you know. So I kind of opened this package because it was kind of hard to open, which is fine with me because, you know, it's special. I don't want to show y'all my, well, it don't matter. Y'all don't know my address. I got a package from Leatherworks, okay? I ordered a Shay by the Sea pen because it is, if y'all know, y'all know, but she is putting on an event, her and Alyssa, from the Diamond Painting Accountant. They are putting on an event, and it's called Mermaids and Magic, and I ordered Shay by the Sea for this event. Now, they made Leopard Leatherworks. It came from Leopard Leatherworks. Let's get that straight. Leopard Leatherworks. They made it on YouTube. They made it live, and y'all, I watched it. I was able to, I started to catch the beginning. Then I was in the bookstore because y'all know I like to read. I started reading after my mother passed away because I used to do that a lot. And I just started reading, and now I can't stop reading. So I diamond paint and I read. So there's that. I have to keep my mind occupied. Okay. Anyway, Leopard Leatherworks, they have a YouTube channel. If you are not familiar with them, they make diamond painting pens, and I think I've seen a few other things. But I will link their YouTube channel in the description portion of this video so you guys can go check them out, okay? Because let me tell y'all, they make some pretty diamond painting pens, period. They do. I love them so much. They are so sweet. They do come to my lives when I do a live. They're just sweet, nice people, okay? They are part of the diamond painting community. So, yeah. So, it came in this box. So, I undone the box because, you know, I don't have to fight with that on camera. So, this came with it. It's 2 candies, and these were in this bag. And I'm going to tell y'all what's in this little bag. So, there's a card from them, Carrie, and it says Carrie Costello, Carrie at Leopard. Sorry, y'all. leopardleatherworks.com. leopardlw.com. Sorry. Their Facebook information and their Instagram information. So this is their card. I know it's backwards, but just in case y'all wanted to see it. Okay, so there's that. Leopard Leatherworks. I will link their YouTube channel though in the description portion, and I'll also link their website. Okay, so y'all can find their items. And also I have a sample from diamond painting with sparklers, and that's Timo. That's her information. Timo, that's what I thought. I wasn't sure. I know Timo, not know her personally, but I do watch her videos. And yeah, so she sent some this is just a sample. So that came with it. And now I'm going to show y'all the pen. Y'all, let me go back to the card. Look how cute the little leopard print. That's so cute. I like that. Okay. So this is the pen. It came in this package. Leopard Leatherworks sticker on it. Cute little package. And y'all, it was well wrapped. It was very safe. It was well wrapped in the box. So thank y'all so much, Carrie. I really appreciate it. I think his name's Tim. If I got it wrong, I'm sorry. Y'all know I'm scatterbrained right now, okay? I'm always scatterbrained though. So this is it. Y'all, look at this. Don't mind my nails because I'm trying to take them off. Look at this pen, y'all. Oh my God. Look at this. Y'all, look at it. I love how I love this shimmery, opalish, aurora borealis looking colors. Can I explain it any better? Y'all, look at this pen. It's gorgeous. It even has some like pinks or purple. What is it? Purple? I don't know, y'all, but it's beautiful. See I don't know if y'all could see the glitter. Y'all probably can't. But it's so pretty. Look at the purple right here. Pink. Is it pinkish, purplish? I don't know. It's purple. Y'all, I can't even. You hear me? Y'all, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Y'all, I just can't. I mean, oh my God. Y'all did such an amazing job on this pen. Holy moly. Holy crap. Look at that. It's so pretty. Y'all did an excellent job on this pen. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my God. Y'all, I will be using this today because I need to work on my Mermaids and Magic diamond painting. Yo, I'm like, I love it. It's so pretty. I just can't stop looking at it. So if you're in need of a diamond painting pen, y'all go check them out. Leopard Leatherworks. I promise y'all will not be disappointed in this at all. I love it. Thank y'all so much. I love it, y'all. I'm so glad I purchased it. I do not regret it at all. It's beautiful. So I want to thank y'all for watching. I know this video was a little short. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Like I said, I hope y'all have a great weekend because it is Saturday today for me in here in Louisiana. It's Saturday. Yeah, y'all go check them out. Y'all won't regret it, I promise. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye.